So guys, for the first step, you're going to head it with search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand system. Now you want to expand CurrentControlSet. Now we're going to expand control. And now we're going to expand NSI. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. We're now going to find NSI. We're going to scroll down to the end section till we find NSI. Here it is. You want to expand this. I'm going to make this a bit bigger again. And now if you have a bunch of folders here, you want to expand the one that says 00 on it. So this one says 01, 02, 03. You want to expand the one that says 00. You want to expand this one. Now you want to find the folder 26. You want to click on the 26 folder. And now we're going to be here. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once you're in the 26 folder, you want to right click on it. And then click on permissions. And now you're going to click on advanced. And then click on change. And now this will come up. And now in this box right here, you're going to type in everyone. And then click on check names, which is now going to underline everyone. And then click on OK. And now you're going to click on replace owner on some containers and objects. You're going to take this box. And then click on OK again. Now you're going to select everyone right here. And you're going to select full control. You're going to select allow next to full control. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flushdns. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.